man. So this is the Clone 1 Sauvignon Blanc that will go into the Lancaster Estate Sauvignon Blanc. And 2011 has been a really difficult year for Alexander Valley Sauvignon Blanc because most of it got hit with shatter. So there was vineyards that we had that we just stopped farming because there was no food out there. And luckily, as you can see here, Sept here was beautiful. For the most part, still down maybe 10 or 15%, but a lot of vineyards, I'd say it's going to be down around 30% overall. So very lucky to get this great fruit, beautiful fruit, nice color. The acidities this year is beautiful, so we have these really nice natural acidities that we always kind of get in our Lancaster Sauvignon Blanc. So here we go, here's to 2011.